Dictionary is a collection of words, rather pair, which is changeable and indexed by key value pair. Now we have seen tuple, we have seen list, we have seen array. In that it was indexed by number. Here it is indexed by key value pair. Creating a dictionary is very simple. Just you have to include the items in curly braces, and the items are to be separated by commas. Each item will have two things. One, it will have key, another it will have value, and each key will be separated by its value by a colon, and key value becomes one item. Another item is separated from the first item by comma. While the values can be of any data type and can repeat, keys must be of immutable type. So key cannot be changed, key are immutable. Let us see how to create a dictionary. This is the first dictionary that I have created. It is a dictionary of fruits. So if I run this, so before I run this, we'll just explain what is there. Fruit underscore dictionary, this is the variable. You can write anything whatever you want, equal to, in curly braces, you can see in curly braces, 3 is a key value, is a key, and apple is a value. So this is one item. Then comma, another is 1 is the key and mango is its value. Like this I have written. Now it was written like this earlier in one line. Now since the length was more, what I did is I pressed here, I entered here like this, and I pressed enter here. It is having one and the same meaning. You can write it in 3 different lines or one single line. Even if you want, you can take this one down, it's okay. If I run this, now since this is the first time we are running in this file, it will take some time. These things forms a dictionary of fruit, and dictionary with integer keys. So this key 3, 5, 8, 7, 1, 2, 6 are integer key. This is done. Now we'll see what are the contents in the fruit dictionary. So you can see the contents are 1 is mango, 2 is pear, 3 is apple, 5 is banana, and so on. So if you see here, while writing we have written 3 first, then 1, then 5, but while forming the dictionary it has arranged it in a sequence because it is a dictionary. Now here all the key values or the keys were integers. Now we'll see, can we have all the keys as strings? Yes, we can have all the keys as string, and we can have mixed key of integer as well as string. Now if you see here, this is another dictionary, mixed dictionary. India is string, Sachin is string, and India is key, Sachin is value. Then Australia is key, Van is value. Sri Lanka is key, Dharmasena is value. Now I have added another key, that is integer. 15 is key and Dravid is value, and so on here. Here the key is 32, and what is the value stored in the key 32? 243. So this a dictionary can have mixed keys. To run this, this is the output, and it is sequenced output. Now we will see how to access the items of a dictionary. So this is print fruit dictionary 1, that is the one which is indexed at 1, not at number 1, but indexed by key 1. So what is indexed by key 1? Mango. So if you see here, fruit dictionary indexed by key 1 is mango. Print with index and print with get are the two options to get the same output. Here you will see print fruit underscore dictionary dot get. So same thing can be obtained by these two different commands. We'll see what we get if we use get India. This is mixed dictionary. So if I show you mixed dictionary and what is this is mixed dictionary and India is key. What is the value for India? Sachin is the value. So if you see here mixed dictionary get India and print A, the value is Sachin. Similarly for mixed dictionary 45, that is indexing 45 key. So what is it? We'll just go and check. 45 is Hardik. So when you run this, you should get print B, that is Hardik, as the output. So this way we can see what are the elements or values in the dictionary. Then if we print fruit underscore dictionary 8, let us see what we get. We get guava. And if you print fruit underscore dictionary by get, we get guava. Okay. Now in this same, it will give error in case of non-availability of key. Like what is the key here? In both the cases key is 8. Now instead of 8, we'll see something different which is not the part. See, there is no 4 in this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is no 4 in this. So we'll change this and instead of 8, we'll see what it returns when we type 4. It is giving some error. Let us check in this what it gives. It gives none. So if you are using get, then if it is not in the dictionary, then the output is none. But if you are using index and the key is not in the dictionary, then it will give key error. Okay. Now moving further, this is again a mixed dictionary. In this, A is a variable which I have defined, and A is to get India and print A. So get India means get the value of India. What is the value of India here? Sachin. So print Sachin. So Sachin is printed. Now we'll move on to the next part, that is loops. Loop through a dictionary. Now what is a mixed dictionary? We have just seen what is a mixed dictionary. Mixed dictionary consists of India, Sachin, Australia, one, and so on. Now for A in mixed dictionary, print A. Let us see what is the output of this. For A in mixed dictionary, print A. This will print India, Australia, Sri Lanka, means India, Australia, Sri Lanka, 15, 22. It is printing what? It is printing key. So to get key, we have to use the code like this. Now this A can be anything. You can write A, B, C, anything. Next, to get the values of the key. To get the values of the key, the code is for B in mixed dictionary, colon, print mixed dictionary B. If I run this, you will get the values. Sachin, Wan, Dharmasena, Dhoni, and so on. It can also be done by this way. You will get the same output. One thing that you have to note here is this print should be after a gap from 4. Here, generally this is 4 spaces. So when you enter and when you press tab, suppose it is like this, you press tab, it will automatically move those many number of spaces. Otherwise, if you print it from here, it will give error. and the error is named as indentation error, means you need some indentation here, spacing here, and now if you run, it will be executed. Now if I run fruit dictionary, this is the fruit dictionary. Now if 3 in fruit dictionary, print 3 is in the dictionary. Is there 3? Yes, there is 3. So if we are not using if else elif here, we are just using if and in. If 3 is in fruit dictionary, yes, 3 is in fruit dictionary, then print 3 is in the dictionary. So it is printing 3 is in the dictionary. What if I type 4 here? Let us check what it will print. If 4 in fruit dictionary, see, it is not giving any output. Why? Because 4 is not in the fruit dictionary and we have written only if. We have not written else statement. If 4 is in the dictionary, print 4 in the dictionary, else print 4 not in the dictionary. So we have not started else if, that's why here it is not showing any output. Moving further, how to update the elements in the dictionary. So we'll stop here and we'll see updating elements in the next video.